YouTube. It's going to be my first video I've made, and it's going to be for my Smith & Wesson Performance Center 357 Magnum TRR-8. It's a like I say, a 357. It's got 8 round capacity, and I went down the shop looking for a 629 Stealth Hunter in 44 Magnum, and they didn't have those in stock, so I ended up getting this. But I've got one on order, the Stealth Hunters, so this will do for the meantime. It's a awesome looking handgun. Say it's a 8 round capacity. It's pretty sweet for a 357. It's got the scandium frame, which is a lightweight frame, and the barrel is called stainless steel. It's threaded in there, and then you got the cool rails on the bottom for attaching a flashlight, and a substantial rail on the top for putting a scope on there. The gun itself's fairly heavy. I've got pretty big hands, and it's a fair weight. Feels great in the hand, real meaty piece of kit. So looking forward to seeing what she can do down at the range while I wait for the 44 Magnum to come, which could be sometime next year now, but that's fine. So there it is there, Smith & Wesson 357 Magnum Performance Center. All the other good stuff that comes with it. Keys to lock it. Just a regular case lock. Some screws there for putting in if you take the rails out, so you haven't got exposed threads. There's the case from the test firing. So I guess it was test fired on September the 14th this year, 2012. Spent case. I managed to order a Taurus Raging Bull today as well, in 44 Magnum, which I'll do a review of next week when I receive it. But that'll keep me. Those two guns should keep me occupied while I'm waiting for the 629 Stealth Hunter 44 Magnum. But quick view of the gun again. Very impressive. Real nice, sturdy. Exactly what you'd expect from Smith & Wesson. No issues with the quality. Finish is awesome. Really looks like a nice, steady piece of kit. I'm really looking forward to taking it down the range and seeing what she can do. So there she is.